Hello! Today I will show you step by step how to easily create a booklet using Google Docs. If you want to see more useful guide like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Let's get started. First, open Google Docs and create a new document. Click on the File menu in the upper left corner and select the Page Setup from the menu that opens. Here, we will make the necessary page arrangements of your booklet. In the page setup, first set the paper size. A4 is usually used for a standard booklet, but you can choose a different size if you prefer. Then, change the orientation settings to landscape. This will make your booklet suitable for a two-page layout. Then, go to the margins section. Now, margins are generally preferred in booklet design. Therefore, set all margins to approximately 1 cm or a value according to your needs. Save your changes and your page layout will be complete. Now you can start adding content. The easiest way to create a booklet layout is use the text boxes and tables. Click on the Insert option in the top menu and divide the content of your page into sections by adding a text box or table. For example, you can add a title at the top of each page and place text or image at the bottom. If you want your booklet to be visually appealing, you can also use themes or colored backgrounds. You can color the backgrounds of the boxes or add special designs to table cells with the Fill Color tool in the Google Docs. Finally, if you want your booklet to be in printable format, you can go to the File menu and save the document with the Download as PDF option. This way, you can print your booklet on any printer you want without losing its layout. And that's it. You've created a professional booklet in no time using Google Docs.